So today we have a Land of Munchies Prime Mystery Box. So let's see what we have in here. So in here should be some sweets and snacks along with a bottle of Prime energy drink. So you have your Land of Munchies. So first things, we have a small vanilla Charleston chew. They're quite good frozen, them. We have some Mike and Ike's Mega Mix, all the different flavours there. See some toxic waste, nuclear sludge chew bar. Crayon, some mango sweet crayon, chewy lemon heads, the pink lemonade, another toxic waste sludge, sour apple, this one. What's this? TNT super sour liquid filled chews. They look interesting. Reese's Take 5. They're very good, those. What is this? A bit sticky. Dunkin' Dip. Gummy worms with a sour gel dip. Interesting. What's this? Packet of crisps here. TJ Friday's Crunchy Fries Cheddar Cheese. Cool. We have a Yahoo chocolate milk. Sour dweebs. Not had dweebs in years. The small Mike and Ike's sour lemon. Just got a can of drink here. Oh wow, I didn't know they did drinks. Warhead sour watermelon soda. Out of the way. I think that's everything. Oh no, there's a Jolly Rancher, is it? Jolly Rancher lollipop. I'll just double check. And then we have the Prime hydration drink, ice pop flavour. So that's the Land of Munchies Prime mystery box. All in all, I think it's fairly good value for money. Well impressed. So today we have a Land of Munchies mystery drinks box, and this is £10. So we've got the Sunkist strawberry lemonade. We've got Gatorade, which is Cool Blue. We've got, this is interesting, this is a glass bottle. It's Jones's cane sugar soda, pineapple cream soda. We've got an American cherry Coca-Cola. We've got Yoo-hoo chocolate milk. And I've got an American Dr. Pepper cream soda. So to be fair, I think this is quite a good haul.